Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by cutting straight to what's critical: power and connection. First, fully power cycle the Xbox. Hold the power button 10 seconds, then unplug for 60 seconds. Once done, reset or swap the HDMI and power cables to rule out simple faults. Make sure the console has the latest system update installed and automatic updates enabled. Finally, run the built-in network test and confirm speeds are stable. If below minimums, prioritize fixing the network before adjusting video settings. Now you dive into display detail. You should check the Xbox display resolution and refresh rate. Select 1080p, 4K, or 2160p, and choose 60Hz only when the TV and cable explicitly support it. Once done, enable game mode on your TV to bypass post-processing that blurs or adds lag. Make sure HDMI input is set correctly and try a different HDMI port or cable generation, sometimes switching from HDMI to 0 to 2. 1 or vice versa removes compatibility quirks. Calibrate HDR and color in the console settings to match your screen. Finish with decisive actions that resolve persistent problems. If quality issues remain, reinstall the latest system update or perform an offline system update via USB. This fixes corrupted firmware. If that fails, do a factory reset. Start with the option that keeps your games and accounts and escalate to a full reset only if necessary. Once reset, test the Xbox on a second TV to isolate the issue. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, capture any error codes and exact symptoms before contacting support. That detail speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.